Earthful emotion, sister low battery. You have always been my biggest supporter and fan. You always had my back in your eyes. I can do nothing wrong, which has built my confidence throughout of my life. Thank you, darling, for loving me unconditionally and forever. You have made me the man I am today, and I will always love you with all my heart. People say they would love to have a wife that would do anything for her husband. I have that in you, and I appreciate all that you do, and I always done in my life. You will be the love in my life, heart to eternities, no matter where I am or what I am doing. My heart always feels it my come back to you like compass, pointing towards my true north. You each movement a part, just reminding of how much you mean to me and how deeply I cherish our connection. Your love is the beacons that guides me through every storms. The heaven I seek in every uncreated what is you are think it is not real. Let me is just tell you all the truth. Every man knows that what he deserves, and he does not deserves as a woman you are. You know that will make you comfort and happily you. That is why you have every right to make a decision to who you is will be with you. Tell you once again, if you are interested of me and you living together as one family, do you have to do the need for. I will support it you. I promise I will support it you with all my last strength to make sure that all our dream come to pass. You are my happiness, beauty. It if you do not mind, you can go, no problem. I will be, but remember, you will look for me, but you will never see me again. But because of the love I have for you, that what brings me back to you. If I have interested in were those women or one girls, do you think that I will be back for you? Never. I will not be back for you, but my love for you is real and true, is why cannot rest. I keeping think of you, but if you say you are not interested anymore, you can go it fan, but I promise you that will look for me. You will look for me. They will never got me. You will never got me. Mark my wordle. Mark my wordle. Thank you. Just click the WhatsApp button so we can discuss about together. Honey, my love, we have a good news. I got together with my father a very important meeting concerns, and my you have become authorities. I have expected that once you come over here, they will register you have citizens of Dubai, because I heard them that you are going to be my wife, and I am very happy for Dad, because I really wanted to you come soon because I have a great plan for us. I really wanted us to be together because my father have been disturbing me to bring you home. Because without me getting married to you, I will not be charge of the thrones. I really wanted to be here. What that we can get to very fast, my love. And my love, I love you so much, angel, in your eyes. I see my home, a place what I no longer rue.